Up! Stand up, stand up, stand up. You can do it.
Mapansin si Daddy no.
Head bang eh.
Love you.
Elon. Elon. Elon.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Elon.
Good evening.
Hello. How are you? All good? Elon, all good? All good? Okay. Smile. Happy? Happy ka? Smile ka na. Don't be shy. Don't be afraid. Kiss mo ko lips. Ha? Happy siya.
Pag ang daddy ang magbibihis, alam nang struggle's real. As of now, dapat nasa harapan to. Ngayon, nasa puwet. Nasa puwet ni Elon. Nahirapan daw si daddy magbihis sa'yo. Is that true? Nahirapan si daddy? Yung top mo, paano daw niya ma-figure out? Paano ka bibihisan? Paano isusuot? Is that true, Elon? Hirap na hirap si daddy? Ha? Ano ang hinahanap mo? Hello? Good evening. Here's na your dinosaur tail. You open the book. You open. You open it, please. You open. It's newly washed. Na-wash na yan ni Mommy. Open it na. You don't like to open? Excuse me. How are you? Look at this. Dapat pa sa likod to. Sa harapan na ngayon. Kasi si Daddy ang nagbihis. Diba? Magaling, magaling, magaling.
Elon, give me your hand. Come on. Anna, get up, tara. Ayan, get up. Get up, get up. Come in. Hold my hand. Get up. Hold my hand. Get up. Oh. Ooh. Nice one. Kulang pa, kulang pa. Ayusin mo ng hawak. Hold my hand yan. Get up. Yeah. Stand up na, stand up. Ano, musog? Stand up na. Yan. Oy, kulang pa bagsak. Get up na. Up. Stand up, stand up. Stand up. You can do it. Stand up na. Stand up. Come on. Walang energy.
Ay, naka 6 ounce ka ay. Ba't walang energy?
Kasi may breast milk ka pa. Nagtarang paa niya kasi. Wala siyang friction.
Wow, big word. Friction.
Game. Hold my hand.
Yusin mo naman din yung pantalon niya. Ipanjama niya.
Get up. Hold ka muna ng kamay bago mag-get up. Hold my hand. Get up na. Get up. Get up. Oh. Yan. Get up. Yan. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Come on. Stand up. Stand up. Come on. Stand up. You can do it. Walang energy.
Ang bigat daw. Ang bigat daw yung tiyan niya.
Stand up.
Busog daw siya.
Stand up. Come on. Kaya mo. Kaya pa. Ayun dyan.
Busog kasi baby no. Busog na.
Busog.
Pati na wala laki na tiyan no. Ilang ounce ka sa water? Sa milk mo? 6 ounce.
Hindi ka pakitang gilas.
Pagkailang ni Daddy, no? Grabe ka, no?
Pag gutom siya, madali eh. Magaan eh.
Pero pag dito si Mami, nag-watching si Mami, no? Pinapahiya mo si Daddy.
Tumas. Get up, get up.
Hindi. Ano mo? Na, bakit mo sinusubog? Gutom ka pa rin.
Nga mo siya malad.
Ay, gusto niyo mag-holding hands kami, oh. Get up muna na kayo ni Daddy, oh. Later na holding hands.
Elon, get up.
Siloso si Daddy doon.
Get up.
Ang pansin si Daddy doon. No, nag-uusap tayo dalawa, tinan mo, no. Get up na doon kay Mami. Get up na kay Mami. Kay Mami ka na, kay Mami ka, ha? Si Mami, you will do it. Okay? You want? Tayong dalawa? Kinikilig ang baby namin, eh.
Pusog mabigat ang dyan.
You want? Mommy will do it for you. Mommy will train you. Oh. So, lagay niya holding hands. Holding hands. Ano ba? Isa ka rin eh. Baby ka din eh. Wow, sarap na posisyon. Oy. Mga doon na. Okay na. Let go na, friends, Mommy. You don't like to let go? Just hold the hands of Mommy. Holding hands. Do you miss Mommy? Miss mo si Mommy? Ha? I love you. Okay na. Bye na. Bye na. Bye. Hold the hand, Mommy. Hold the hand. Hold my hand. Go. Hold my hand. You don't like to hold the hand of Mommy? Hold the finger, Mommy. Come na. Ba? May sipa-sipa mo si Daddy. Sarap na higa mo, feeling mo sa beach ka lang na nakaganyan ka. Okay?
Pagod ako. Gusto mo ba na hug?
Daw aya. Ano na? Yan pa mo. Yes, that's right. That's right.
Ayaw niya. Mo ko. Uy! Hoy!
Hawakan mo eh. Walang wakan, oh.